G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 1 Southwind Court in the popular master plan community of Ocean Blue. We are only minutes away from the beach and esplanade and there's a lot to see. Let's go and take a look around. This captivating residence delivers a flawless blend of indoor and outdoor living in the tightly held master plan community of Ocean Blue in Pialba, strolling distance to the esplanade and beach. The coveted north-south aspect of this contemporary haven offers a flowing indoor-outdoor floor plan with high ceilings throughout, crafted for year-round entertaining. The quality and scale of this coral home is immediately apparent as you enter, and you are naturally drawn towards the vast open plan living, kitchen and dining area which does form the heart of this home. The wonderfully appointed kitchen, complete with stone bench tops and large island bench, includes a walk-in pantry and quality appliances that include an electric hot plate with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. You will feel as though you're on holidays every day as you open those stacker doors which provide a seamless transition between the indoor living space and that fabulous north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you will appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle, ducted and zoned air conditioning system which flows throughout this home. There is also a separate lounge or media room where you'll be able to enjoy your favourite television series or the latest blockbuster films. This home offers great separation and privacy for everyone, with all 4 bedrooms being located away from the main entertaining zones. All 4 spacious bedrooms do include built-in wardrobes and ducted air conditioning. The main bedroom includes a walk-in wardrobe and lavish ensuite, and also offers an external sliding door to the yard at the rear. The bathroom includes a luxurious freestanding bath and a shower, plus vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The large laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with a remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. There is also clear side access and ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, or you could easily also add a pool and a shed if needed. This stunning home really is as good as new, with nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that will come with owning this home. So here's your opportunity, call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.